If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on YouTube Music, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Visit the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Make sure you are using the same account associated with your YouTube Music. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Security section in your Google account settings. This area contains options related to two-factor authentication and account security. Step 3. Manage two-factor authentication. Look for the two-step verification option. Click on it to access the settings where you can manage your two-factor authentication methods. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. If you want to reset it, you may need to disable the current two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to turn it off, which may involve verifying your identity. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Follow the setup process to choose your preferred method like SMS or an authenticator app and complete the verification steps. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on YouTube Music. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.